believe that just about all kids would benefit from joining the Carolina Kids Co-op. The one exception to that is we only want the nice kids. We are not going to allow bullying. We are not going to allow violent behavior. We are not going to allow our children to be intimidated or hurt in any way. So truly, those are the only types of kids that would not fit in at CKC. For kids who don't think they like to be outside, for kids who think they just like to do school at home, for kids who think that they don't like hanging out with other kids, we've seen all of those types of kids flourish in our community. We don't push it, we give them their space, and our kids are really emotionally intelligent because it's such an important part of our program. And so they will support your child, even if your child says, leave me alone. Our kids know how to do that. But I've really rarely met a kid who I think wouldn't do better in our program than someplace else.